Today I will show you how to make an NPC that will chase you. Also, it can go around these barriers and it can do really anything, so be sure to watch. So I made this simple map, but you can do really anything. And first you're gonna get the model that I linked in the description. Let me get it. I made this model. It's an NPC model of this. It has animation and everything. And if you open it in the AI script, here you can see shortest distance, which is the distance be the shortest that the NPC can go to. I will change it, for example, to 300. And here you can change if you want to see the dots. So I will do true or false, and tracking if it should refresh, true or false again. So now it's not done. We need to go to the toolbox and search for forbidden API. Yes. And this, open the model, open this, and forbidden, put the folder in the replicated storage, and delete this other stuff. And now you're done. Let's play and see. Yeah, it works. As you can see, it's extremely simple. You don't need to code really anything. You can just change some values, and it can solve mazes. It can do really anything. So yeah, here you go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.